Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. This is grade 5th math. In today's video, let us learn the topic reading, writing and converting decimals. Okay, so this is page number 83. We have already completed exercise 5.2. So first topic is reading and writing decimals. Okay, so we know that decimal consists of two parts. Okay, so decimal consists of two parts. The first one is whole number part and second is decimal part. Okay, to read a decimal or to write the name for the decimal, we follow the following rules. Okay, so in order to read decimal or to write the name for the decimal, we follow the following rule. Okay, turn your page number 84. So here is the rule. The whole number part is read as usual. The decimal part is read as if it was a whole number, but the name of the place of the digit on the right is attached to the number. The word and is used for the decimal point. Okay, so the word and is used for the decimal point. Here is the example 1. Okay, so the decimal fraction. Okay, how we are reading this? 345 and this point, decimal point, the word and is used for the decimal point. So this decimal point we are reading as and. Okay, so the decimal fraction, okay, so this is the decimal fraction, is read as 345 and 43 hundredths. Okay, so how we are reading this? We are reading as 345 and 43 hundredths. Okay, so fraction. Okay, again the decimal fraction is read as 172 and 3 tenths. Okay, 172 and 3 tenths. So this decimal point we are reading as and. Okay, and example 3. The decimal fraction is read as 48 hundredths. Okay, so 48 hundredths. Okay, so this point we are read as here and. Okay, we can also write the names of decimal in another way. Okay, so we can also write the names of decimal in another way. It is the more usual way of writing a decimal number. Okay, so it is the more usual way of writing a decimal number. Okay, here is the rule. Here is the rule. The whole number part is read as usual. Okay, so the decimal point is read as point. The decimal part is read digit wise. Okay, the decimal part is read digit wise. Here is, okay, here example 4. Okay, so the decimal fraction is read as 145.43. Okay, so the decimal fraction is read as, this is the another way. Okay, so this is the another way to read it. So the decimal fraction 145 point. Okay, now we are reading this as 0.43. Okay, so 145.43. Okay, so like this we have to read. Next example 5. The decimal fraction is read as 567.913. Okay, so this is the another way to read. Okay, so this is the another way to read. So 567.913. Okay, so these are the rules. Okay, so here remember box, always read the decimal part digit wise. Okay, we should always read the decimal part digit wise. Converting fractions into decimal. Okay, our next topic is converting fractions into decimals. Okay, decimals are fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000 and higher multiples of 10. Okay, higher multiples of 10. To convert this fraction into decimal, look at the denominator. There should be as many digits after the decimal point as there are zeros in the denominator. So here example 1, converting fraction into decimal. Okay, here example 1, 5 by 10. Okay, so 5 by 10, this is a fraction, so we have to convert this into decimal. So 0.5. Okay, 0.5. Next, second example, 28 by 100. Okay, so to convert this fraction into decimals, so here second example, 28 by 100 equals to, here denominator 100 is there. Okay, so 0.28. Okay, 0.28. Next, 7 by 100 equals to, here denominator is 100, so 0.07. Okay, 0.07. A 0 has been placed to have two decimal places. Okay, so a 0 has been placed to have two decimal places. Here remember box, each place to the right of the decimal point is a decimal place. Okay, so each place to the right of the decimal point is a decimal place. 1. 375 by 1000. Okay, fraction into decimal. Okay, so we have to convert this fraction into decimal. So 375 by 1000 equals to 0.375. Okay, so 0.375. Okay, so this is the fifth example and this is the sixth example. Okay, 5 by 1000 equals to 0.005. Two zeros before 5 to make 3 decimal places. Okay, so 2 zeros before 5 to make 3 decimal places. Okay, so here 2 zeros before 5 to make 3 decimal places. Okay, so next, sixth, 8 1 by 100. Okay, 8 1 by 100 equals to 100 into 8, 800. 800 plus 1, 801 by 100. Okay, so 800. And this is the fraction. We have to convert this into decimal. Okay, so 8.01. Okay, 8.01. So the whole numbers remain the same. Okay, the whole numbers remain the same. Next class I will be doing the continuation. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.